day in October. Is the night vision on or something? The lighting is kind of wonky right around here. I don't know why. We were just walking in the woods, and then we were talking about mowing the universe, and I was thinking about mowing the yard, and then I was thinking about Scotland Yard, and then I was thinking about scotch, and then I was thinking about scotch tape, and then I was thinking about duct tape, and then I was thinking about ducks, and then I was thinking about ducats, and then I was thinking about money, and then I was thinking about quarters, and then I was thinking about fourths, and then I was thinking about music, and then I was thinking about art, and then I was thinking about pie, blueberry pie. I don't like blueberry pie, not very much, not really. Kafka. Do you like blueberry pie? Daddy, you have mental deficiencies, and you are a freak. Oh, well, okay, Kate. You know what? I don't know if I would employ such a term as freak. That moniker, I don't think is... I think that's wholly unnecessary. Well, I just don't know. I just don't know, Daddy. You're such... you're so extroverted, but yet your unintelligible crap is just... it doesn't end. Well, I don't know that it's unintelligible. I think that's harsh. I would rather have you said the thing before than to say that the things that I say are unintelligible. You know damn well that you make no sense at all. Hey, I make perfect sense. In fact, I make more sense than anybody has ever made. Oh, this? That? Right there? I wiped out on my bike going down some steps, some water breaks on a trail that I wasn't even supposed to be on my bike. And then, oh yeah. Not only that, let's see what else, if I can do this with this camera. Oh, no. That as well, but oh well. That's what happens. You gotta pay to play. So they say. Willie Mays. Oh, by the way, I watched that Sam Raimi movie. Sam Raimi, Jesus Christ, man. Drag Me to Hell. I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch that again. I expected so much from it, but you know. Oh well, I can't let it get me down, because how can you be upset when you're looking at that? Look at that. Huh? Ebony and ivory live together in perfect harmony. So they say. All right, I'm done.